In this video we will do kinetic typographic effect in Canva. So you can animate your words like this. Let's start. Open a blank video page, click on Elements, select an image, set image as background, click on text, add a heading, change its font. Let's select it League Spartan. Click on Effects, select Shadow, increase offset size, reduce direction, increase blur, increase transparency. Under color palette, select white, then black. It will look like this. Now click on color, select white, increase its size, place it here. Duplicate this. In this way, write all the letters of the word. And arrange them. Now click on layer, then show layers. Now you can arrange these letters as per the word. Now duplicate this page. Select this word, click on position, overlapping, arrange, center, and place it here like this. Now move this page to the first position. Click on page transition. Select match and move, increase duration, reduce page timing. Now it will work like this. Now click on first page, duplicate, place it after this page, place it at the end. Now select these letters, place it here, place these letters at different positions like this. Click on page transition, match and move, increase duration. Now when you run the page, it will work like this. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe. Thank you.